Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that gets every investor excited: dividends. And not just any dividends, but the top 5 dividend stocks that are set to deliver some crazy returns in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. We're looking ahead, past the current market noise, to identify companies that are not just surviving, but thriving and sharing their success with shareholders. If you're serious about building passive income and growing your wealth, you absolutely need to stick around for this. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. Investing always carries risks, and these are my personal insights based on extensive research. Always do your own due diligence and consider your financial goals. But trust me, the stocks we're about to discuss have some incredibly compelling stories. We're talking about companies with strong fundamentals, sustainable business models, and a history of rewarding their investors, all poised for continued success as we head into 2025. So grab a notepad, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get started on unlocking some serious dividend potential. All right, let's kick things off with our number one pick for crazy returns in 2025. Coming in strong, we have a company that's a true bedrock of its industry. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan stock. We're talking about a stable, mature business that has consistently delivered value for decades. What makes them so special for 2025? Well, they've been strategically expanding into emerging markets, which are showing incredible growth potential. Their core business, while seemingly traditional, benefits from massive economies of scale and high barriers to entry, giving them a significant competitive advantage. Furthermore, their management team has a proven track record of prudent financial management. They're not just paying out dividends. They're doing it from healthy free cash flow, indicating the dividend is very sustainable and likely to grow. Their current yield is already attractive, but their projected earnings growth, fueled by these strategic expansions, and a strong demand outlook suggests that dividend increases are very much on the horizon. Imagine getting a solid dividend today and watching that payout grow year after year. That's the kind of long-term wealth building we're after. This company is a classic sleep well at night stock with fantastic growth catalysts. Moving on to our second fantastic dividend opportunity for 2025, this company operates in a sector that's often overlooked but incredibly vital to our modern world. Think about the infrastructure that supports our digital lives and our essential services. This business is deeply embedded in that infrastructure, making them indispensable. Their revenue streams are incredibly stable, often backed by long-term contracts with built-in inflation escalators. This predictability is a dividend investor's dream, providing a consistent cash flow that supports generous payouts. What makes their 2025 outlook so promising? They are at the forefront of a major technological transition, investing heavily in upgrades and expansions that will solidify their market leadership for years to come. This isn't just about maintaining, it's about innovating and capturing new segments of an ever-growing market. Their dividend yield is currently very appealing, and analysts project strong earnings growth as these new investments come online. This means not only a sustainable dividend, but also a high probability of future dividend hikes. It's a fantastic blend of stability and growth, making it a powerful addition to any dividend portfolio looking for those crazy returns, driven by consistent income and capital appreciation. Now for our third pick, and this one is a bit more dynamic but with massive upside potential. We're looking at a company in the renewable energy sector. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that sector volatile? And yes, it can be, but this specific company stands out due to its diversified portfolio of assets and its strategic partnerships with major utilities and government entities. They're not just building solar farms, they're involved in wind, hydro, and even next-gen battery storage solutions, creating a resilient and robust business model. For 2025, the tailwinds for renewable energy are stronger than ever. Government incentives, increasing consumer demand for clean energy, and significant advancements in technology are all converging to create a booming market. This company is perfectly positioned to capitalize on these trends. Their dividend yield is already competitive, and what's exciting is the projected exponential growth in their cash flow as more projects come online and their economies of scale improve. This isn't just a dividend play, it's an investment in the future, with the added benefit of a growing income stream. They're actively expanding their capacity, signing new lucrative contracts, and demonstrating a clear path to significantly increasing shareholder returns through both capital gains and increased dividends. This stock offers a thrilling combination of a reliable dividend and substantial growth potential. All right, let's unveil our fourth contender for incredible dividend returns in 2025. This company is a global leader in a niche but absolutely critical industry. They provide essential components and services that underpin countless other businesses. Think of them as the silent enabler of innovation across multiple sectors. Their products are not luxury items, they are foundational necessities, making their demand inelastic even during economic fluctuations. This resilience is a key factor for a dependable dividend stock. What sets them up for 2025 success? They possess a significant competitive moat built on patents, specialized expertise, and high switching costs for their customers. This means their market position is extremely secure, allowing them to maintain strong pricing power. Furthermore, they are investing heavily in research and development, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve and continue to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Their dividend history is impeccable, showing consistent growth over many years. As global supply chains continue to optimize and industries increasingly rely on their specialized offerings, their earnings and free cash flow are projected to see a healthy bump. This translates directly into a higher likelihood of not just sustained, but increased dividend payouts. This stock offers a unique blend of stability, market dominance, and strategic growth, making it a compelling choice for dividend investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. And finally, for our fifth and final dividend stock poised for crazy returns in 2025, we have a true dividend aristocrat in the consumer staples sector. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Consumer staples, aren't those typically slow growth? And you'd be right to an extent. However, this particular company isn't just surviving, it's evolving. They own a portfolio of globally recognized household name brands that people buy regardless of the economic climate. This creates a powerful, predictable revenue stream that forms the bedrock of their dividend. What makes their 2025 outlook so exciting? They've been incredibly proactive in adapting to changing consumer preferences, investing in sustainable packaging, healthier product lines, and direct-to-consumer sales channels. This strategic pivot ensures their brands remain relevant and competitive in an ever-changing market. Their operational efficiency initiatives are also starting to bear significant fruit, leading to margin expansion and increased profitability. While their current yield is solid, the real kicker for 2025 is the combination of continued organic growth in emerging markets and their ability to leverage their established distribution networks for new, innovative products. This positions them for steady earnings growth, which, given their history, will almost certainly translate into continued dividend increases. It's a fantastic defensive play with a surprisingly strong growth narrative, offering both safety and consistent income growth. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 dividend stocks that I believe are set up for crazy returns in 2025. From established industry giants to dynamic renewable energy players, each of these companies offers a unique combination of stability, growth potential, and, most importantly, a commitment to rewarding shareholders through dividends. Remember, successful investing isn't just about chasing the latest fad. It's about understanding strong businesses that can generate sustainable cash flow over the long term. These companies fit that bill perfectly, demonstrating robust fundamentals and exciting catalysts for the coming years. The beauty of dividend investing is that you get paid while you wait for your investments to grow. It is a powerful strategy for building lasting wealth and creating a passive income stream that can truly change your financial future. Now, I can't stress this enough. Please, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. This video is for informational and educational purposes, and your personal financial situation is unique. Consult with a financial advisor to ensure any investment aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. I genuinely hope you found this deep dive valuable and that it sparks some exciting ideas for your portfolio. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and definitely subscribe to the channel. We're constantly putting out new videos to help you on your financial journey. Also, let me know in the comments below which of these stocks caught your eye, or if you have any other dividend favorites you are watching for 2025. I love hearing from you all and building this community of smart investors. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!